Hello everyone, welcome to Headlines of the Day. In this video, we shall be discussing about the Hindu newspaper dated 6 July 2022. Our first important headline is Center to Soften Punitive Steps in Environment Cases. It is available on page number 1 related to paper 3 environment section. In this article, we have to know about the amendments proposed by Environment Ministry in the existing provisions of Environment Protection Act 1986 and rationale behind them. जो दो मेजर अमेंडमेंट प्रपोज किए गए हैं वो है replacing the imprisonment with monetary penalty, or second is creation of environment protection fund, right? Our second important article is Indian aviation needs a strong and steady tailwind, available on page number 6 related to paper 3 economy section. In this article we have to know about the status of Indian aviation industry, its role in economic growth of a country, why has the growth of aviation been affected, लॉज एंड रेगुलेशंस, की एनालिसिस एंड वे फॉरवर्ड. जो मेजर रीजंस है ग्रोथ अफेक्ट करने की एविएशन सेक्टर के, वो है हमारा चोकिंग रेगुलेशंस, टफ एंट्री बैरियर्स फॉर न्यू एंट्रेंट्स, हाई फ्यूल प्राइसेस ऑन अकाउंट ऑफ sky high taxes, inefficient public sector airports, right? Our next important headline is handcuffing a judicial tap and long arm of the law. It is available on page 6 related to paper 2 governance section. In this article we have to know right against being handcuffed in India, what are the occasions when a person can be handcuffed, Supreme Court directive on handcuffing, key analysis and way forward, right? Our next important headline is helping Sri Lanka more meaningfully, right? Available on page number 7 related to paper 2 international relations. In this article we have to know about the causes and impact of economic crisis in Sri Lanka, how does it affect India's interest and India's role so far in helping Sri Lanka, what lies ahead, right? जो मेजर रीजन है अगर हम श्रीलंकन क्राइसिस की बात करें तो वो है ह्यूज इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेब्ट, dwindling tourism sector, misguided policies of the authoritative regime, and remittances also dropped significantly, right? Our next important headline is the way to control tuberculosis, available on page number 7 related to paper 2 governance section. In this article we have to know about the tuberculosis, global and India TB burden, TB control program of India, major deficiencies of revised national TB control program and what steps need to be taken in this context. अगर हम टीबी की बात करें तो it is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis, जो कि एक बैक्टीरिया है, and it often affects the lungs and TB is spread through the air when people with lung TB cough, sneeze and spit, right? Our next important headline is the relentless march of FPI to exit gate, available on page number 8 related to paper 3 economy section. In this article we have to know about the foreign portfolio investors, what factors per FPI moves, why have FPI been selling Indian holdings, what impact does an FPI sell off have. अगर हम फॉरेन पोर्टफोलियो इन्वेस्टर्स की बात करें तो ये वो इन्वेस्टर्स होते हैं जो कि इन्वेस्ट करते हैं मार्केट आउटसाइड ऑफ देयर कंट्री, और इनकी जो इन्वेस्टमेंट है वो इंक्लूड करती है हमारा इक्विटीज, बॉन्ड्स एंड म्यूचुअल फंड्स. They are not active shareholders. They don't exert any control over the companies whose share they hold, and the passive nature of their investment also allow them to enter, exit a stock at will and with ease, right? Our next important headline is status of China's Belt and Road Initiative in South Asia, available on page number 8 related to paper 2 international relations. In this article we have to know about the China's Belt and Road Initiative, what has been the progress of BRI so far, what have been the roadblocks and challenges, its impact on India's interest and what lies ahead. अगर हम BRI की बात करें तो ये अनाउंस किया गया था चाइनीज प्रेसिडेंट के द्वारा इन 2013. जो इसके मेजर एक्टिविटीज हैं इसमें पॉलिसी कोऑर्डिनेशन है, ट्रेड प्रमोशन है, फिजिकल कनेक्टिविटी है और पीपल कॉन्टैक्ट्स हैं, राइट? अगर रूट्स की बात करें तो इसका जो दो रूट्स हैं, न्यू सिल्क रोड इकोनॉमिक बेल्ट विच इनकम्पासेस trade investment hubs to the north of China by reaching out to Eurasia, including a link via Myanmar to India. और जो second route है इसका maritime silk route, it begins via South China Sea, going towards Indo-China, Southeast Asia, then around Indian Ocean, thus reaching Africa and Europe, right? Our last important headline is Sweden, Finland sign protocol to join NATO, await ratification, available on page number 13 related to paper 2 international relations. In this article we have to know about the NATO, its objective and what would be a membership mean and will it benefit NATO as well. membership की बात किसकी हो रही है? स्वीडन एंड फिनलैंड की. how have Russia and other countries reacted and what lies ahead. अगर नाटो की बात करें तो ये स्टैब्लिश हुआ था 1949 में, बेल्जियम में इसका हेडक्वार्टर है, और ये एक इंटर गवर्नमेंटल मिलिट्री अलायंस है जिसको हम वॉशिंगटन ट्रीटी कहते हैं. 30 countries are member and India is not a member of NATO, right? So that's all for the day. Thank you so much.